Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to add more than one Gmail account on laptop or PC. So let's begin. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, the very first thing you want to do after you have logged into one account, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on your profile icon. Then this is going to pop up. Then navigate to add account. Then right here, enter another mail that you want to add to the account. So I'm going to enter the mail straight up. Then having entered the mail, next thing you want to do is to simply click on next. Then enter the password. Then having entered the password, click on next. Then you can simply save the password. Just like so. And you have another account added to your Google account. So this is the second account and this is the first account that you just added into your Google account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to have multiple Google accounts or Gmail accounts on a single device with your laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.